I'm going to show you how to make money with Google AI, and I'm going to do this by showing you how to create an app. We can do this all for free, and then I'm going to show you how you can make money from this app. As you can see, the app is getting made right now, and I'm going to show you in this free tutorial exactly what to do with this and how to make money. Let's get started. All right, guys, so I think it's over for Adobe. Their share price hasn't really done much in the last 5 years. And this AI stuff is just completely replacing it. I use Adobe, Photoshop, and Premiere and stuff in my business, but I'm using it much less now. And the rise of all of this AI stuff that Google's doing, Microsoft is doing, and other companies are doing is completely replacing Adobe for me. So Adobe either needs to innovate fast or it's over. So recently we have been doing quite a lot with the Nano Banana on this channel, but today I'm going to show you another way that you can make money with Google AI. And this is really, really cool. So there's a few things that we can do, right? We can do this Nano Banana, we can do this URL context tool. We can do this like speech generation. There's a lot of things we can do with this Google AI. I just found out recently that we can actually do apps. We can build apps. It's crazy. I did not know this until recently. I've been using things like Lovable, but they cost money. I can build something here for free right now in front of you. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how you can actually make money doing that. So I'm going to show you two ways in this video, well, two apps. We're going to build two apps in this video. We're going to build one of the ones that's already on this page, but we're also going to build a custom one as well that I'm going to show you how to build right now. So what I've done is I've gone and found one of the most popular things that sells online, and we're going to go ahead and recreate that inside this app so then we can use this. Now, keep in mind, to do this, I would have had to use Adobe back in the day, like a year ago or whatever. But now we can use this and do it really, really quickly. So let me explain to you exactly what we're going to be building here. So first of all, I'm going to be uploading this image as an example, and this is what we're going to be training the AI thing to do based on this. Okay, so I'm going to upload this image. You can go and find one of these online. Just go and look for a watercolor image example on Google or something like that, and we can train the AI off this. So I've just uploaded that image, and I'm going to say to this app, this Google AI, me an app that changes a normal image into a watercolor image and use this image as an example. And this is what it's going to do. It's kind of crazy, like this just blows my mind. It's now creating the app for us. It's going to do all of the code right in front of our eyes. It's going to build the core app. It's going to build everything right in front of our eyes. Now, I don't know if people realize how powerful this stuff is, right? It's thinking right now, it's refining all the API integrations, everything like that. But this is insane. A year ago, 2 years ago, actually, around about 2016, 2017, I was building my own apps, and they took months and they cost a lot of money to create. I'm literally creating one right here for free. All right, so now it's creating the code. It did take a while to think there. It's creating all the code for us. And you can see right here, like, this is crazy. Do you know how many months it would take to make something like this back in the day? And actually, let me show you something real quick while this is happening. So this is still generating its thing. Okay, it's still going. We're like, look at all of the stuff that it's done, all of the components. If we go to this website here called muncheye.com, this is actually a website where people launch apps and products, and people can make like commissions off them, right? For example, like, oh, that's not one there, but like, let's just take, for example, let's go down here. So this guy has an app right here or whatever. This is a whole list of apps where people are launching apps, okay? Now, I used to be in this space many years ago, and it used to take 3, 4, 5, 6 months to build apps and tons of money. And the space was quite hard, but now people here make quite a lot of money because they can make apps really, really fast. And this is why this is blowing up right now. Now, this isn't the way we're going to be making money in this video. I just wanted to show you an example of now you can make these apps and launch them really, really fast. All right, so here we go. Turn your photos into beautiful watercolor paintings with a single click. So what I've done is I've gone to this website here, and I've got a random image from here that we can use as an example. So let's just test it out. All we have to do is I'm not sure why. Okay, so it hasn't populated anything in here like for an original like this. This would be like an example, all right? We haven't asked it to populate that. We can if we want to, but let's just go ahead and test this out. I'm going to go ahead and upload that image, and I'm going to go generate. So it shows the image right there. This is the image that I downloaded. You can see from this website right here, and I'm going to go generate image, generate watercolor. Now it should do it based off what we told the app to do. Now, it might not do it straight away. You sometimes have to, so we didn't actually need to have that prompt there, but we'll just leave it there. Oh yeah, and it'll create the image down here. So what this app has done is it's created a custom prompt area. You can either leave this blank or you can put something in there. If you leave it blank, you're probably going to get better results because we already trained the AI off that image that we put up there. But this is it here. And there you go. It's created a watercolor, like a watercolor image here. Now, I actually like that style. I think that's much better than the image that we actually than the image that we trained it on. All right, guys, my computer crashed. That's one thing about this AI stuff. It's really intensive if you don't have like a new computer. My Mac is like 10 years old. This specific one, the one that I usually use, I don't have it right now. So I recreated it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I've saved the other image that I did from before, and we're going to use that one. But just so you know, you can go ahead and you can recreate it as well. And if I actually upload this here again, it does gives me options to add some stuff, and then I can turn this into the watercolor again. And you can also do full screen with this. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to make money with this, and then I'm going to show you another way that you can actually make money using the same thing, but kind of a new thing as well, which is pretty cool. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go to Printify.com, and we want to go to catalog, and we want to put something in here. Let me find the search real quick. Okay, so you want to go to canvas or something with a frame, but for this example, we're going to do a canvas. And then what we're going to do is click on this, and then we go ahead and go start designing. And then we want to upload that water image to the canvas, which I'll do right now. So here is the image right here. Now you can edit the app just to make it look different and stuff, but I do think this is a pretty good middle ground. There's not like too much crazy watercolor stuff in here. Now, it might not be the right size for this. It's probably not, because this is more of a vertical rectangle rather than a square. But you only need to go to these edges anyway because it wraps around. Yeah, so that's not really the best here. So what I'm going to do, I actually like that. So you can do two different types, right? So you can do this. This actually looks really, really nice. Or you can do a square. So we'll do a square as well. All right, so this is a bit more of a square. It's still kind of a bit weird, but I'm just going to upload that real quick. And that's a little bit better, kind of. Yeah, so we got a little bit more water in there. Yeah, I like that. That's real nice. But you can find different types of shapes, frames. You can put it on t-shirts. You can really do whatever you want, right? So now we have this, and I'm just going to go ahead and click Save Product at the bottom. So what can we actually do with this? How can we make money with this? Well, you could potentially start your own store selling. See, wow, that looks really, really cool, right? So if we double click on this, have a look and just see what it looks like here. Yeah, so that looks really cool. Look at that. That's amazing. Wow, that's actually really cool. So how do we make money with this? What we do is if you actually go to Etsy right here, this is one of the biggest spaces on Etsy. There is a tool that you can use. This is a tool here, and you can analyze stores in the best niches. And this is one of the top ones right here. You can see these guys have 4,000 reviews, and that's just reviews. That's not including things like only a certain amount of people leave reviews, a certain percentage. 2,000 reviews, 2,000, 8,000, 12,000 reviews. What was the other one? 4,000. So 12,000 reviews. So what happens is you can go ahead and put an Etsy store up, right? Saying that you'll change people's photo into a watercolor. They send you that. So this is actually hand drawn. So it's a little bit different. So we'll go back to like something that's not hand drawn. All right, so something like this. Some of them are hand drawn, some of them are not. But what we can do is we can go ahead and we can say to people, send us your photos. You'll probably have to say that you're using AI. You can say it in the description that you're using AI. This might say it. Oh wow, I actually really like this. Sorry, I'm distracted right now. I love GDRs. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. So you could even do something like people's cars. See what I mean? Personalized gift for car enthusiast. That's crazy. That I love that. That's so cool. Anyway, got distracted there. What you would go ahead and do is you would go ahead and create these images for people. They'll send you the image, okay? And then you just send it out with Printify. Printify sends it out for you. You don't have to touch anything. So here's another example. If we click on Paint a Place, I'm going to let this app do its thing. And what we want to do is for this example only, I'm going to go and find a fake address generator. Okay, so I've found a fake address generator here. We're going to use this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let this, okay, so it's already created the app for us. That was super quick. We're going to go and I would like it in a better format, actually. Let's try this. Bro, all these ads, go away. So you put the address in here, and what's going to happen is it's going to find us the property, and we're going to go generate watercolor. So this is a new big trend on Etsy right now, is people will give you their address, you put it into the app that you've created, and it's going to give them a watercolor version of their property. It's really, really cool. And there you go. So it's given a watercolor version of this apartment building right here, and it looks amazing. So all you would do is download that, and you can put it on a canvas as well, and you can go ahead and sell that online. I'll do that right now real quick. Or you can put it on anything, a poster, a canvas. Let's try a poster real quick. So we'll try this, like, we need something that, yeah, this will be nice because it's different. It's a different thing here. We'll go to start designing. We'll get our image. Now that looks really cool. That's awesome. Okay, this is going to fit in nicely here. Might be a little bit of overshoot, but looking good. There we go, guys. Oh, wait a minute. A little bit over there. Make a little bit bigger. And you have a poster that you can now sell on Etsy. And that's it, guys. That looks really, really cool. You could start your own shop doing watercolor images as well. All they do is send you their address, and that's it. You can make these images for free, literally for free, with this AI stuff. And if we go back to the start, there's all of these other things you can make as well with this. So go and check it out, see what you want to make, and make money online with Google AI. I'll see you guys in the next video.